Section breaks are a really useful feature inside Word for having separate distinct sections in a document of different formatting or different layouts. So you can see here I have my first section which has some instructions on how to do some C# programming. Then in my separate section break, I then change the layout so you can then see a table with much greater detail. So how do we do this? So I'm just going to use a blank document as an example. So let's just say we have a section 1 here. Inside here, text goes here. If I then want to change another section, the first thing I suggest is you turn the Show Hide option on. This helps you see what invisible sort of formatting you got. So you can see here I've got my carriage returns. Then what you do is you go to Insert. A normal blank page is done through the page break. You don't use this option here. This is only if you want to insert a blank page. A section change is through Layout, Breaks, and there's different types of ones. You can have either a new page or you can have one on the same page continuous. The next page one is what I want to use here, and I will have section 2, and then I'm going to insert and I'm going to change the layout to landscape, and then I'm going to insert, say, a big table in there. So you can see right away our section break lets us do this in terms of make two separate distinct sections, as you can see here. I can also do a continuous section break too. So if I want to change the formatting within the page, so the way you do that is you go back to Layout, Breaks, and this time use continuous. And then I can have section 2, text goes here, turn off the Show Hide if you want to. And in here, what I can do is I can change anything in here and it won't have an impact on here. Now, I do recommend that you break up any big documents in the section breaks. It makes editing really easy, especially when dealing with tables or any large sort of formatting changes.